going on, everybody? It's Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco. I've got an unboxing video today of a little product from our good friends at Devos LightRanger. So let's get to open it and see what we've got. All right, let's see what we've got. Okay, we've got two boxes. Let's see. Devos LightRanger. We'll set this one to the side and open this one up. Make sure there's nothing in the box. Good there. All right, I like what I'm seeing. Let's see, USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Instructions on how to get it together, but you know, I'm a guy, so who needs those? And then there it is, the telescoping legs, and the light up top. And I'll show you a little bit more here in a second. All right, let's loosen this up here. Slide the legs down, telescope the legs out, like so. Tighten this knob here. And then we've got a couple quick releases you can see right here that help you telescope it even further out. There's one, there's two, and there is three. And there is the full 9 feet extended. It's way up there. All right, bring it back down here. Okay, let's see, the power on button is here. You press it once. You've got lights that run all the way around, like so. And then you press it consecutively twice, and then that gives you light on 2 sides to angle your light a little bit. Then if you press it 3 times, you get a single light. And also another good thing is when you turn it on, and if you press and hold the power button, it will actually dim and then go back up. But I'm going to turn off the lights here, and we'll see how it lights this shop facility up. Okay, other than the lighting that's outside, let's take a look and see when we turn the lights back on how it looks. Okay, let's go ahead and turn these lights on. Press the button once. There's all 4 lights. I'm going to walk around here to give you an idea of how much light it puts out, at least in this range here. They say it's a range of about 50 feet. So if you're on a campsite or something like that, or on the beach, you'll be lighting up a perimeter of 50 feet. So let's see, next. This is with 2 lights. You can see nothing back here is lit up, but the 2 front are lit up. As you can see there, And then let's do the single light. There's the single light there. Nothing's lit up over here, but all of it's directional, headed towards the camera. Okay, turn that off. Let's go back to full brightness mode. And let's go ahead and slide this bad boy up all the way. And hopefully you can see with the camera how everything is lit up at that height. Puts out a lot of light. And if we bring it down one spot, it gives you an idea right there. It's just above your line of vision, so it's not directly blasting you in the face. And then we'll bring it back down. Let's get these lights turned back on. Another cool thing about this light is it's got a battery status feature. If you press the power button and you hold it for 3 seconds while it's off, it'll show you a charging light. Solid green is around 100% charge. Blinking green, I believe, is 67 to 95% charge. A yellow light is 35 to 66% charge. And a red light is anywhere from 34% to 0%. Here are the power stats. I guess if you need to figure out operating temperatures and let's see, the actual light itself came in its own little bag here, carrying bag, with a nice tote strap that you can put on your shoulder. And let's go ahead and pack everything down and see how it fits inside. And I've collapsed everything down as far as it will go. Nothing more to do than just grab the legs, the base, put it in the bag like so, pull the cinch strap, and you're ready to go. Another cool feature, they have these light filters. So if you're out at night and let's say it's hot and you don't want to be bitten by mosquitoes or gnats like I myself do, what you can do is just detach the light like so and place the cover, and it attaches like that, and then you just reconnect the light. It comes with an amber, an orange, and a red. I imagine the red will be the most filtered light, so it won't put out as much light and won't attract the bugs. So me personally, I believe I would use this one, but I'll turn out the lights now and let you see what the colors look like. And this is the red. This is the orange. Okay, so this is the yellow or amber. Devos LightRanger 1200 puts out 1200 lumens of light all the way down to 60 lumens of light. That's at the one light setting. They say battery life is around 3.75 to 4 hours at max brightness, all the way up to 80 hours if you use it on one light, and that's dimmed all the way down. I'm going to leave a link to the product down in my description, and you can set yourself up and pick up one of these lights. Like I said, it's the LightRanger 1200. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thanks for watching Bigfoot Bronco. See ya.